First of all, name of Allah. Hi. In this CSS tutorial, we will learn about grid area property. In body types, we will use open div element and close the div element. In between div elements, we will use open div element and close the div element and use one copy and change its number. Now we will apply CSS on these items for create grid area. Class selector use ng-c selector use open curly braces and close curly braces, background color, colon, hashtag B0C4DE, semicolon, underneath padding, colon, 10px from top, left, right and bottom, and gap between grid, column and row 10px, and display column grid semicolon. After that we will use class selector use and g-c use open curly braces and close curly braces. In between curly braces we will use background color, colon, RGBA, open parentheses and close parentheses. In between parentheses we will use value 255, comma 255 248, comma 220, comma 1, semicolon, underneath text line center, colon, center, semicolon, and padding, colon, 20 px 0, semicolon, and font size hyphen size, colon, 30 px, and use child combinator selector div. Underneath we will use class selector and I1 open curly braces and close curly braces, and use grid hyphen area colon 1 / 2 and / 5 and /6 semicolon. Now we will use these class selector and GC selector, and this class selector and GC selector, and this class selector I1 selector use in HTML elements. In first step we will use class selector and use g-c and this I selector, I1 selector and class selector use in div1, class selector use equal double quotes I1. As it is, we use 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 selector use in every div. 10 and press the build button to save the file style.css already saved. Go back to the browser and reload the page. Items 8 start on row line 2 and column line 1 and span 2 rows and 3 columns. So we will use instead number 2 /1 /span 2 and /span 3 and use great template hyphen columns 1fr 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 and 1fr semicolon. Press the build button to save the file index.html already saved. Go back to the browser and reload the page. And instead 1 we will use on class 8 I and use selector 8. Press the build button to save the file index.html already saved. Go back to the browser and reload the page.